Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are going to see one logical question. So the question is x comma y belongs to real number. Solve x square plus x minus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 equal to 2 into y cube minus 2 root 5 minus 1. Second equation y square plus y minus 1 into y square minus y plus 1 is equal to 2 into x cube plus 2 root 5 minus 1. Then we have to find the value of 8x square plus 4y cube. So we have to find the value of 8x square plus 4y cube. So as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 1000 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So this type of problems we cannot see in any other channel. So thank you. Here, first of all, multiplying these two values, x to the power of 4 minus x cube plus x square plus x cube minus x square plus x minus x square plus x minus 1 is equal to 2y cube minus 4 root 5 minus 2. So if you multiply the second one, y to the power of 4 minus y cube plus y square plus y cube minus y square plus y minus a square plus y minus 1 equal to 2x cube plus 4 root 5 minus 2. So here some terms will get cancelled. X cube, x cube, x square get cancelled. So here x to the power of 4 minus common x square minus 2x plus 1 will get is equal to 2y cube minus 4 root 5 minus 2. The second equation y to the power of 4 minus, here also will get y square minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 2x cube plus 4 root 5 minus 2. So here on adding these two, so here we'll get x to the power of 4 minus x square plus 2x minus 1. So here minus 2x cube I am adding this side plus y to the power of 4 minus y square plus 2y minus 1 minus 2y cube is equal to 0 will get. So here it is in the form of x square minus x minus 1 whole square plus y square minus y minus 1 whole square equal to 0. Now sum of the square terms equal to 0. Sum of square terms equal to 0. Each term is equal to 0. Each term is equal to 0. X square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. And y square minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Now by using quadratic formula I can find x is equal to 1 plus or minus root of 1 plus 4 by 2. So here 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2. Okay, and y value same, you will get 1 plus or minus root 1 plus 4 by 2. So here you will get 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2. So here the question is, you have to find the value of 8x square plus 4y cube. 8x square plus 4y cube. Okay, we'll substitute the value of x here. 8 into 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2 whole square plus 4 into 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2 whole cube. So here we'll get 12 plus or minus 4 root 5. So here we'll get plus or minus. So here you'll get so 8 minus plus root 5. So these two values get cancelled. Here you will get the answer 20. So here we are taking the values x is equal to 1 plus root 5 by 2, y is equal to 1 minus root 5 by 2. And the second case also you can take in reverse. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.